Hello, friends. Welcome back to Natural Home Remedy, where we explore the wonders of nature's gifts. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of stingless bees and lemongrass oil, two natural powerhouses that can work wonders for your skin. 1. What are stingless bees? 1. Stingless bees are a unique species of bees that don't have a stinger, making them harmless to humans. 1. These little wonders produce a special type of honey that's rich in enzymes, antioxidants, and antimicrobial properties. 2. Benefits of stingless bee honey. Not only is stingless bee honey deliciously sweet, but it's also a natural wonder for your skin. 2. It's packed with nutrients that can help soothe irritation, promote healing, and provide a natural glow. 1. Introducing lemongrass oil. Lemongrass oil is a versatile essential oil extracted from the lemongrass plant. 1. It's known for its refreshing citrusy aroma and its impressive antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. 2. The power duo, stingless bee honey and lemongrass oil. When you combine the soothing properties of stingless bee honey with the rejuvenating powers of lemongrass oil, you get a dynamic duo that can work wonders for your skin. 2. This combination can help address a wide range of skin concerns, from acne and blemishes to dryness and signs of aging. 3. How to use stingless bee honey and lemongrass oil. We'll show you simple and effective ways to incorporate these natural ingredients into your skincare routine. 3. From DIY face masks and serums to body butters and lip balms, we've got you covered with easy-to-follow recipes and step-by-step instructions. 4. Soothing face mask ingredients. 1. 2 tablespoons stingless bee honey. 2. 1 tablespoon lemongrass oil. 3. 1/4 cup plain yogurt, optional. Instructions. 1. In a small bowl, mix together the stingless bee honey and lemongrass oil. 2. If desired, add the plain yogurt to create a creamier consistency. 3. Apply the mixture evenly to your clean face, avoiding the eye area. 4. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes, allowing the ingredients to nourish your skin. 5. Rinse off with warm water and pat your face dry. 1. Refreshing body butter ingredients. 1. 1/2 cup shea butter or coconut oil. 2. 2 tablespoons stingless bee honey. 3. 10-15 drops of lemongrass oil. Instructions. 1. Melt the shea butter or coconut oil in a double boiler or microwave. 2. Once melted, remove from heat and let it cool slightly. 3. Whisk in the stingless bee honey until well combined. 4. Add the lemongrass oil and whisk again to incorporate. 5. Transfer the mixture to a jar or container and let it solidify. 6. Use as a nourishing body butter after your shower or bath. 1. Rejuvenating lip balm ingredients. 1. 2 tablespoons beeswax pastilles. 2. 2 tablespoons coconut oil. 3. 1 tablespoon stingless bee honey. 4. 5 drops of lemongrass oil. Instructions. 1. Melt the beeswax and coconut oil together in a double boiler or microwave. 2. Once melted, remove from heat and let it cool slightly. 3. Whisk in the stingless bee honey and lemongrass oil until well combined. 4. Pour the mixture into lip balm containers or small tins. 5. Let it solidify completely before use. 6. Apply to your lips as needed for a nourishing and refreshing lip balm. 1. Acne fighting serum ingredients. 1. 2 tablespoons stingless bee honey. 2. 1 tablespoon lemongrass oil. 3. 1/4 cup witch hazel, optional. Instructions. 1. In a small bottle or container, mix together the stingless bee honey and lemongrass oil. 2. If desired, add the witch hazel to create a thinner consistency. 3. After cleansing your face, apply the serum to affected areas or all over your face. 4. Allow it to absorb into your skin before moisturizing. 5. Use daily for best results in combating acne and blemishes. Feel free to adjust the quantities based on your preference and skin type. Always do a patch test before using any new product, especially if you have sensitive skin. Closing. Embrace the power of nature and give your skin the nourishment it deserves with stingless bee honey and lemongrass oil. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to a radiant, healthy complexion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more natural remedies and skincare tips.